I drove my tractor through the haystack last night. Threw up my pitchfork and the dog kept quiet. There's something telling me that you're avoiding me. Come on now, darling, you can something new. 'Cause I got a brand new combine harvester every give me key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres, you got 43. Now I got a brand new combine harvester, you give you the key. She made me laugh, I stick by you, you bleed I need. We're twins and triplets, man, boot and speed. You are my darling, so give me your hand. That must be mostly the acres of my land. 'Cause I got a brand new combine harvester, I give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres, you got 43. Now I got a brand new combine harvester, and I give you the key. Oh, she was so lovely, but the stuff for 7 long years, alone in her place. A sleeping kitchen in a proper disgrace. Now I clean it up, now I change your mind. I drink the scrumpy and a lager and lime. 'Cause I got a brand new combine harvester, I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres, you got 43. Now I got a brand new combine harvester, I'll give you the key. Oh, lovely baby, you're a grand couple. Last whistle dance. We had our photos took, holding our hands. I got a brand new combine harvester, I'll give you the key. Now God broke past the 50s now after you and me. You took Calverton, then you marry me. 'Cause I got a brand new combine harvester, I'll give you the key.